It's a dark and dreary day in Chicago, as the same holds true for the markets, and of course, the media never gets it right. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Friday, and it's an ugly day. It's an ugly Friday at the moment. Dow's getting clobbered on about 5 or 550, somewhere in that neighborhood. Nasdaq's down over 200. It is ugly. Facebook, Apple, out to the woodshed. But in the meantime, again, we are net short. We're short the Russell, Dow, S&P, still long the Nasdaq. Ouch. But again, as you listen to the media report, they keep blaming this on, well, the Texans are closing down their bars at noon. It's a crock of crap. Okay, that's it. Markets are a little bit bubblish anyways. Again, the algorithm started to turn a couple of weeks ago. And as I texted out this morning, it looks like we might be in for a major trend change to begin with. So here you have it. The markets are getting hammered. Now, I'm not saying we're going straight down, and I'm not saying there's not going to be a rally at some point today, nor is it over. I'm just saying that that's what the trend is, and that's what it looked like. That's the way we're positioned. Okay, so again, I can only base it on what the algorithm tells me, plus what I can read in the charts, and that's what I saw, and that's what I'm telling you now. In the meantime, the metals have gotten ugly. Boy, it looked like gold was going to go to the Pluto, and it looks like silver is trying to break out. And of course, both have failed miserably today and are down pretty good. In the meantime, we're long on both. We're still short platinum, which is a good thing. But again, at the end of the day, I still do like the metals here. You know, silver went to a spot that was trying to break out. It failed. Gold is hovering around some key support and still higher, looking like it could go higher. But again, right now, it's down. Okay. Crude is lower. Not a surprise. Again, 40 once again stood its ground and turned it away. And now we're still long, but I think it'll be getting short soon. And of course, I can't wait till we sell it. Bonds are spiking a little bit higher. Obviously, a little bit of fear here as the volatility index spikes up as well. So bonds notes are higher. We're along both those. Copper was up nicely. Now it's down. It's had a heck of a rally, and we're still long it. But again, it's falling under the weight of a lot of things in the market. Net gas, lower. We're short. The dollar is higher. We're long. So it's good. You know, listen, things are, our positions are in very solid shape. In the grains, corn's flat to higher after yesterday's ugliness. We reversed yesterday. We're short. Beans are lower. We're still long, but I'm assuming that will change shortly, as much as to my dismay, because I'd like to be long the grains here. And wheat is once again lower today after being slightly higher yesterday. But wheat does not look good. Out of the bunch, wheat looks the worst. It has truly broken down. In the meantime, again, we'll keep following the algorithms, although personally, I'd like to be long grains here. I think these prices are ridiculous, but we're not going to fight. And the meats are lower today. Cattle, both fats and feeders, are both lower. Not a lot, but both lower. Hogs are once again under pressure, which we're still short. So we're still long cattle, short hogs. But again, at the end, I'm a big fan of the ag products here at some point. I know it's torture and painful, but hey, we'll continue to watch them. We'll continue to trade the way we see it. Okay. In the meanwhile, don't forget about our commodity report, and that is from Andy Hecht. It's a great report. It has great information, and it's very well detailed weekly. And then there's the big quarterlies are coming out this time, which is it's almost like reading a book about 200 pages. But in the meantime, it's all great information from a 40-year veteran who at one time was the largest silver trader in the world, #1 author for Seeking Alpha, as well as traveling worldwide trading commodities. And of course, our brokerage partners are second to none. Okay, CTG for futures and commodities. They do all of our letter direction trading. They've got some great new products on their own. You certainly want to check them out because their customer service is unreal, along with traders as well. Again, Trader is our equity partner. That is, first of all, $10 a month. That's the key. Okay, again, most of you are paying free, but 65 cents a contract or whatever it is. It's $10 a month. That's it. No other charges, and we tie into their API, and as we automate more, and we've got some new things coming out that'll be totally automated, that's the place you got to be if you want to use those. And we're now partnering also with Family Farms, a great organization. I'll have more information for you later, but we do a lot of stuff for them and a lot of educational stuff through them. But they've got some great stuff for you, so let's make sure you check them out as well. And of course, Don't forget about our high school program. If you want to help us out at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, I can't play golf today because it's raining. But I will be on after the closing bell with Liz Clayman, Fox Business Network at 3:55 Eastern Time. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Enjoy. We'll see you Sunday.